Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word plight, its meaning, definition and the example. Plight. The definition of plight is a dangerous, difficult, or otherwise unfortunate situation. The synonyms of plight are difficulty, fate, suffering, problem. Now let me show the example of plight word in sentences are: their pitiful plight is the direct result of an unneutered or spayed cat. Now he is forced to behold her steadily worsening plight. The subject of their heated exchanges is Job's terrible plight. In the later stages of dementia, you may become unaware of your plight. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.